So I finally ordered these face shields. This is not very clean. It's like the ones that you have in the folder. This is not very clean. It's like $1 a piece that fits in this glass. I was looking for it and I didn't find a lot of them. This says dental shield, but they're $1 a piece or a little more for gardening and stuff. And I like them. And I also ordered the extra glasses. I have been using this for many years, but then I only had one. And the old ones were terrible you buy from the dollar stores or even, but you know, my still go-to mask is this for face. Like tie it up on your face like this. And it really works because you can throw this in the laundry and use it 15 million times. These are the shield, and this is the first time it is $10, $9.98, and this is how it fits in it. But you know, this is a very important item. If you have like several people, if you're going to go up in the attic and you're allergic to the, we have changed, we have evolved, we are allergic to a lot of things, and it does work. I mean, I look horrible, but anyway, it works for gardening or cooking, for splashes, hot spices. We use a lot of spices that comes on your face, but this is very temporary. I don't like it. It's not clean. You can see the difference. And this is also $1 a piece, but it's summer. See how cleaner this is? And this is because this one I've been using it for a long time. I think I have it for 10 years, but I have several pieces. And I just ordered 10 of these because it makes your life easier. But I don't think I'm going to order this, the dental shield. Now, the stronger ones, that $25, $35 one, that Home Depot, Lowe's, and all the, Granger and stuff sells, like 45, they're very heavy and strong, and I don't seem to like that. And I never liked this one. This was irritating. This was just never staying, and then these would go bad. I really like these ones so much better. And you need a clear face shield. But that's all I wanted to show. I looked for it and I didn't find perfect for gardening. Face shield or cooking or frying. This really helps.